In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a container in Wix Studio. A container is a versatile building block that helps you group elements together, control spacing and alignment, and keep your design consistent across desktop and mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right container and place it precisely where you need it in the Wix Studio editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to wix.com. Sign in and open the site you want to work on from your dashboard. When you're ready, select Edit Site. This opens the Wix Studio editor in a new window or tab, so don't worry if your screen switches. That's expected. Inside the editor, focus your attention on the left panel. This is where all your building tools live. Look for the Add Elements button. It's your gateway to text, images, buttons, and of course, containers. Click Add Elements, then choose Containers. This category includes simple blank containers for full control, as well as styled presets like cards and panels. If you're designing a custom layout from scratch, a blank container is a great place to start. If you want speed and consistency, a preset can save you time because it comes with padding, borders, and shadows already configured. Once you've picked a container, add it to your page. You can drag it onto the canvas or place it directly. As you move it around, watch for alignment guides and snapping. These help you keep everything neat and consistent with your grid and other elements. If you want precise placement, right-click on the canvas where you want the container to live, then choose Place Container. This context menu option helps ensure your container sits exactly within the correct section or hierarchy, which is especially useful when stacking elements or working near edges. After it's on the page, adjust the container to fit your design. Use the resize handles to set width and height, and open the design or layout settings to fine-tune padding, background color, borders, and rounding. Containers shine when it comes to responsive design. By keeping related elements inside a single wrapper, they scale and reposition more predictably on smaller screens. If you plan to add multiple items inside, consider setting the container's layout to stack or align content consistently. That's it. You've gone from opening Wix Studio, to finding the containers category, to choosing and placing the perfect container on your page with precision. Use this technique whenever you need structure, consistency, and clean alignment in your designs.